another medieval castle in the region of Argyll and Bute. It's called Carnasserie. No. No mask. Yeah. It's a steep hill to climb. There you go. It was built in the Renaissance.
Okay. Not that old.
No. 1500s. Yeah.
There were some people not that long ago you could actually buy an old Scottish castle like this cheaply.
Is it?
Yeah. There are some grand designs, that program grand designs.
Alright.
They've done that and they've had to obviously rebuild it, put floors back in, roof back on.
It's closed. Yeah. COVID crap. Oh, it's a lovely arch. Nice. Whew. Pronounce it. Lock your fan.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah, that's it. Welcome to Scotland. The beautiful, most beautiful land in the world. Yeah. I don't know where to point the camera. It's everything so beautiful. 29 minutes from our gin and tonic. Gin tonic. And it's flavored with orange.
Oh.
Orange, bravo.
You know the French and the Scots.
Saveur d'orange. Saveur d'orange. They were then. Yeah. There was a marriage, wasn't it?
Well, yeah,
between
the King's married. The Prince was married French once, but French and the Scots have had this mutual hatred for the English. And the Irish as well.
Oh, is that the castle? It looks like more like a church.
Yeah, what she said that. Oh, up on the hill there.
Yeah, it's a church.
What's she saying? What do?
Let me check. I'll check. 600 meters, you turn left. Yeah. What a lovely village. Yes.
Turn left onto Main Street East, then turn left onto Front Street.
Thank you. It is.
Turn left onto Front Street.
Ah, fish and chips. Lovely, lovely village.
24 kilometers. Continue straight
We
on.
could stay here, but we cannot because we have to be in Wales tomorrow. That is the castle. Behind the trees.
They're parking for motorbikes there as well.
Yes, it's a lovely place. It's just the light I like. You are glowing, Mamo. Another castle. Hey, you are on camera. I saw your genitals. We're finally here in our beautiful, beautiful spot. And ready for dinner. It's going to be a vegetarian, how do you say? Fajitas. Because
Yeah.
this is a fake chicken. Yes. And,
Fake chicken.
fake chicken.
Vegetarian chicken.
Yeah, it's fake.
Vegan chicken.
And a little bit of happiness in a bottle.
Yeah. We're in a pass, I suppose you call it a pass. On our way to Loch Lomond, and then we're heading down Glasgow and basically heading down to Wales tomorrow. But yeah, fantastic park up, and the views are just stunning. We've got
Yeah.
mountains one side, valleys the other, just great.
Yeah.
But
We're
it's a bit
happy.
chilly, we're quite high up, so
Happy campers. Cheers and see you tomorrow.
Good morning, folks. We're up early again today for change. And that wonderful park up that we had last night. You'll be able to see it better now. This beautiful fog this morning in the valley. And so we thought we'd get up and have a walk and go and see the beautiful morning in this beautiful country.
Because it's our last morning.
Yes, our last morning in Scotland. Not forever, of course. Just stunning. It's amazing. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Somebody's got a sore knee.
I think it's just needs to warm up. Let's see.
Old age, darling. That's what it is.
Shut up.
Don't see me moaning about my knees.
Yeah.
Wow. That's stunning. What a beautiful morning.
Yeah.
So as you can see behind me, the valley down there, blue fog. As we come around. And it's coming in. Can't see the bus anymore. That's just beautiful. I made it. See a rainbow down there, if you can see that. Amazing. Well, it's not quite at the top, but it'll do for me. Tops. Where are we? Up there somewhere. But need to get back. Got to get a move on. Heading down to Wales, where it feels like the top. I've nearly got 360 degrees of view. It's amazing. I'll go around. I'll start here. See. In the valley, all the way around, just keeps going. Keeps going. And yeah, I've done that, so I'm pleased. The majesty of this place is just stunning. It's just, oh. Makes me sad when I think what we're doing to the world. We just don't stop. We carry on. I'm not worried about global warming or climate change. That's always going to happen, whether we were here or not. The fact that we're poisoning the plastic with pollution, plastic's terrible. And we don't care, we just carry on. Nobody stops buying it, nobody stops producing it. And eventually everything will be dead. And it'll be our fault. Makes me ashamed to be a human being. Yes, we're back down. We've come down from, I feel up to that plateau up there. I don't know if you can see it. Sort of. Where's the thing? That one there, yes. The actual top's over there. I haven't got time to go that far. But look. All these spider webs. And we're just coming down into the clouds now.
Yeah.
Alex is taking all her clothes off.
Not far.
Because it's getting hot in here.
Yeah.
I've still got my underpants on, but I was considering taking them off. Yeah, nearly on the road. Guys out there needs to win the lottery, give me £500,000, and then I can come and go and live in Scotland. Because it's great. You've got girls walking around in their bras, you've got wild nature.